Kokborok Day is a festival celebrated in Tripura to commemorate the development of the Kokborok language, which is the official language of the state. Observed every January 19, this day celebrates the initial recognition of Kokborok as an official language in 1979. Hello friends. And welcome to Culture Shock with me, Sunita Iyer, and today let's find out more about this festival. Kokborok is the indigenous language of Tripura, spoken for thousands of years among the indigenous communities of the state. Kok means language and Borok means people. Kokborok is one of the Tibeto-Burman languages widely spoken in the northeast part of India and neighbouring CHT hill tracts of Bangladesh. The Kokborok language is one of the fastest growing and developing Tibeto-Burman languages in the region. As per government estimates, 8,14,375 people from Tripura, Riang, Jamatia, Noatia, Kalai, Rupini, Murasing and Uchoy communities speak Kokborok language. The language also has similarities with other Tibeto-Burman languages such as Bodo, Garo and Dimasa. The script of Kokborok language is not yet finalized due to many socio-political debates, but many people prefer writing it in Latin script and some people write Kokborok in the Bengali script. It has been mentioned in the Chronicle of the Tripura kings, who were the Borok rulers of Tripura for more than 1,000 years, that Kolama was the script of Kokborok, but is not known anymore. Radha Mohan Thakur is the noted pioneer in Kokborok grammar who wrote Kokborok Ma, a grammar book in 1900 AD. Several groups are continuously involved in promoting and developing Kokborok languages, literature and film songs